Hello, my name is Nina Shildar. My today's assignment topic is Can artificial intelligence replace human intelligence? Let us find out what exactly is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that deals with the development of machine intelligence like human beings. For example, speech recognition, problem solving, etc., etc. Today, artificial intelligence is from being used for various tasks ranging from trivial to monumental. May it be a small camera application in any smartphone, or financial management or asset management in any banking system. Artificial intelligence has really played a very important role in all of these, and more of this actually. But uh, as as days are passing by, people are really bothered and worried if really artificial intelligence can replace human intelligence. Uh, s- there are many positive and negative sides of any applications. As we see, let us look through the positive sides of AI. To start with, right from minor repair in any industry to building up an industry, artificial intelligence is very important. Analytical and predictive power of artificial intelligence is invaluable. We cannot even imagine what wonders artificial intelligence has done. Weather prediction or stock marketing prediction, artificial intelligence has done wonders in all of this. Not only in minor predictions, actually, it has been used in in unimaginable settings, like sea exploration, space exploration, and major important thing that artificial intelligence has worked in is medical industries. Um, the diagnostic and monitoring techniques of AI is amazing in medical field, which has actually improved the quality of medical field. Not only in these industries or any such thing, artificial intelligence has entered our homes also. The facial recognition in any CCTV camera or whatever appliances you use for your home makes it easy for the authority to recognize the criminals. Now, like every action has an equal and opposite reaction, like Newton said. So does the artificial intelligence. We've seen the positive sides of artificial intelligence, which are very few. I'll be lighting on a negative side of it. Okay, let's start from our own thing. We are so much active on social media. We upload so many pics. We upload so many details of our personal details. You never know when they are going to be manipulated by any criminals. That is a very bad drawback of any AI system. Artificial intelligence has created havoc in any media field, and moreover, I think intelligence can never replace human intelligence because it lacks emotional intelligence, which is not yet masterized by any of the computer system. That actually, you cannot empathize with anyone, taking your artificial intelligence on the place. And moreover, artificial intelligence is invention of any human being, so it can never go beyond its imagination. So I feel artificial intelligence can never replace human intelligence. Thank you.